In the vast, unforgiving terrain of Fallout New Vegas, every skill point counts. The difference between survival and a premature trip to the game over screen often hinges on how well you've honed your in-game abilities. Hence, maximizing skills in Fallout New Vegas is not just a mark of mastery, but a necessity for thriving in the Mojave Wasteland. Let's delve into the nitty-gritty of how to max out all skills, step by step, transforming your character from a wasteland wanderer into a Mojave maestro. First, focus on your intelligence and perception attributes. These are crucial as they directly affect the number of skill points you'll gain per level and your ability to spot enemies, respectively. Boost these attributes during character creation and through the use of implants from Dr. Usanagi at the New Vegas Medical Clinic. Second, make sure to take full advantage of skill books scattered throughout the wasteland. These handy tomes provide a permanent boost to a specific skill when read. Keep an eye out for these invaluable resources in your travels. Third, exploit the benefits of downloadable content or DLCs. The Lonesome Road DLC in particular offers a unique perk called the Scribe's Counter, which when chosen can increase your skill points. Fourth and finally, don't underestimate the power of special perks that are tied to your character's level. Some of these perks, like the Educated perk, offer additional skill points every time you level up, providing a significant advantage as you progress through the game. To recap, the keys to maximizing skills in Fallout New Vegas are 1. Prioritizing intelligence and perception attributes from the get-go and enhancing them with implants. 1. Scouring the wasteland for skill books. 1. Using the benefits of DLCs, especially the Lonesome Road DLC. 1. Leveraging special perks to gain additional skill points upon leveling up. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to becoming a formidable force in the Mojave Wasteland. Remember, in Fallout New Vegas, every skill point matters, and maximizing your skills can turn the tide in your favor, making you not just a survivor, but a dominant player in the game.